Studying can be tough, but don't worry, we've got your back with these top 5 study hacks for students. Study tip number 1: find a quiet and comfortable place to study to avoid distractions. Study tip number 2: use the Pomodoro technique, a method that helps you stay focused for 25 minutes with a 5-minute break. Study tip number 3: make flashcards to help you memorize facts and information. Study tip number 4: take breaks and make sure to get enough sleep, exercise, and eat well to maintain your focus. Study tip number 5: use online resources such as online quizzes and diagrams to help you learn and understand difficult concepts. Bonus tip: make sure to organize your study materials and use color coding to help you remember key information. Don't forget to take breaks and give yourself a reward for all your hard work. By using these study hacks, you'll be on your way to acing that exam in no time.